Prime Minister Narendra Modi is likely to visit Ayodhya on 5th of August for the Bhumi Pujan ceremony to begin the construction of a grand Ram temple. And the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirtha Kshetra has begun preparations for it. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister is in Ayodhya today to review the preparations for the Prime Minister's visit. In fact, these are the images of Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath, who's currently in Ayodhya ahead of the Bhumi Pujan. We're given to understand that he is going to take stock of the situation. Also would be holding a meeting with the Temple Trust. In fact, the meeting has already taken place, is what we are being told. As far as the preparations for the mega day on 5th of August, when Prime Minister and a host of other dignitaries would also be present for the Bhumi Pujan. In fact, there has been a lot of politics that has been played over this entire Bhumi Pujan on 5th of August, with certain political parties raising this question. Let me go across to my colleague Samarth, who's joining us live to give us a sense of what's actually happening on the ground, and also the kind of excitement perhaps in Ayodhya, given the fact that perhaps history now would be written on 5th of August when the construction, when the Bhumi Pujan will actually take place. Samarth, if you can hear me, what's the current situation like, and give us a sense of what's actually happening on the ground, because we've seen multiple reports that you have filed. There is a sense of excitement on the ground, given the fact that perhaps the country is all set now to witness history being written on 5th of August.
Exactly, there is excitement in Ayodhya, and there is everybody out here, be it priest, beast, or people of Ayodhya, everybody is very happy with the date coming, that 5 August will be the date of Ram Bhumi Pujan. And I am here in the Karyasevakpuram, where the major meeting will take place. CM Yogi has already reached Ayodhya at around 2 p.m. today. He visited Ram Lala Mandir, and he is expected to visit Hanuman Gadi, and thereafter he will attend a meeting in Collectorate, and after which around 3:30, between 3:30 to 4 p.m. CM Yogi Adityanath himself will arrive at this place. I want to show you, this is the place where Yogi Adityanath is going to arrive, and you can see the security personnel placed here. So this is the thing I want to show you. This is the place, Karyasevakpuram. The major meeting will take place, and several big names including Champat Rai, Kamal Nayan Das, including all trust members will attend this meeting. And this meeting, I want to tell you that this particular meeting is about the preparations for August 5. Like, CM Yogi has come here just to take stock of situation, like what is the preparedness of the city Ayodhya for August 5, when Prime Minister Narendra Modi along with several big leaders will arrive on the very auspicious day of Bhumi Pujan. So all these things are happening. However, he is also coming here to take stock of the situation. Be it security, police barricades are on, and even media people are being stopped as it's a security reasons. And I want to tell you that this is July 25, and you can expect more from August 1 to August 5. Security is going to enhance, barricades are going to enhance, and everything. There will be the vigil eye. However, there is lockdown in Uttar Pradesh on Saturday, Sunday, and today is Saturday. There is also some kind of that. But the thing is that the security is going to enhance, and the major thing is that the meeting is all about the preparedness of Ayodhya for August 5. And Yogi Adityanath himself is very sensitive about Ram Mandir. And if you talk about the particular development, as he himself is stressed in a video conferencing also in his Team 11 meetings, he stressed on the development of Ayodhya city, not only the Ram Mandir. He also expects the people of Ayodhya to grow, to get employed. So this is also a thing. Even we talked to the traders and shopkeepers of Ayodhya, they also spoke to us that with the construction of Ram Mandir, their trade, their shop will enhance growth. So all these things are happening in Ayodhya, and it's a very good thing. Apart from Ram Mandir, it is for the development of Ayodhya. Yes.
We'll try and also bring in Pradeep Bhandari in a short while from now. But some other quick question with regards to the meeting that is going to take place. Do you have any idea regarding the agenda of this particular meeting, apart from the fact that law and order situation would be something that is going to be at the top of the mind of the administration?
Well, this meeting is only about the preparedness for August 5, the Bhumi Pujan. And that is why Champat Rai is leading the meeting with CM Yogi Adityanath. Apart from that, Kamal Nayan Das and several big mahants. Apart from that, some BJP leaders will also join this particular meeting. That is why this meeting is so important in terms of that particular Bhumi Pujan. So it's something that kind of an inspection, you can say. It's kind of inspection for Yogi Adityanath, that he has come here to take stock of situation, like if Ayodhya is ready for August 5, the preparedness, and also he will also direct the authorities. We will get to know about the much details that what happened in the meeting just after the meeting will conclude. Still, we are waiting that Yogi Adityanath to arrive. He will around between 3:30 p.m. to 4 p.m. to hold the meeting with Champat Rai here. Yes.